how to buy high Greenland token. So this token came under the symbol of GRNLD. So before we start, it's not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. It raised 10 hours ago and increased by 632%. It lost 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token is trending #1 on the screener right now. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address it's under the Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this also going to click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redact Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or customize, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy GRNLD token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.